This video will show you a step-by-step tutorial that walks you through how to assemble the carbon clamping gutter poles. Depending on the reach height you ordered, your clamping pole kit will arrive with either 5 or 10 4-foot-long carbon clamping gutter poles. To assemble the poles, insert the bottom part of the pole into the top clamping end of the next pole. Press down on the clamp to securely lock it onto the pole. You can adjust the tightness by turning the star nut on the side of the clamp. Next, connect the silicone U-bend by removing the blue locking clamp and sliding the opposite end of the bend over the top of the clamping pole. You can twist it to make sure it is securely in place. Select the nozzle you'd like to use and attach it onto the U-bend. To finish the setup, slide the bottom of the bottom pole into the silicone sleeve at the end of the vacuum hose. You can choose from our 3 different silicone adapters. You are now all set to clean those dirty gutters in a fraction of the time, while standing firmly and safely on the ground, all with no mess.